From individual stocks to index funds and robo-advisors, let's explore the how that fits your style and propels you toward financial success. Finding your stock market groove. Do you love math or are you short on time? No worries, you're all set for your stock market journey. Whether you're a numbers whiz or prefer to steer clear of math, there's a strategy that suits you perfectly. Do you have plenty of time each week? Awesome. Busy professional with a packed schedule? No problem. The exciting part, your path to becoming a savvy investor is ready to be tailored just for you. Let's dive into the how that suits your style. Now, we will discuss various methods that exist for investing in the stock market. Number 1. Individual stocks. If you're all about crunching numbers and delving into stock details regularly, go for the individual stocks. Smart move. Smart and patient investors can ace the market. Are you not a fan of number crunching and quarterly reports? No problem. A laid-back, passive approach is just as cool. No one-size-fits-all is here, so pick the style that vibes with you. Number 2. Index funds. Beyond individual stocks, consider the root of index funds, like the S&P 500. We often favor the passive approach with funds for lower costs and a near guarantee of matching the long-term index performance. The S&P 500, for example, has a solid track record with an average annual return of around 10%, paving the way to build up some serious wealth over time. Number 3. Robo-advisors. Meet your money's assistant in the stock market. The robo-advisor. These savvy brokerages handle your investments, crafting a mix of tailored index funds based on your age, risk tolerance, and financial goals. They choose your investments and address tax strategies, making automatic adjustments as needed. It's like having a financial sidekick to handle your heavy lifting. Golden rule: what cash do you need in the next 5 years? Please keep it away from the stock market swings. Sure, stocks climb in the long run, but get ready for unpredictable moves in the short term. 20% or more drops are normal. Flashback to 2007, 09's financial hit, or 2020's COVID-19 dive. Keep your emergency stash, tuition fund, and vacation house cash out of this stock market unpredictability. They need a steady home, not a ride on the market's waves. Smart moves for long-term gains, ready to invest for the long haul? It's time for some asset allocation, how you spread your money magic. Your age, risk, love, and goals matter. As you age, cool it on stocks. A quick tip: subtract your age from 110. Your stock percentage, mutual funds or ETFs. Balance it with bonds or high-yield CDs. Are you feeling bold at 40? Maybe 70% stocks, 30% stable vibes. Are you planning a longer hustle? Amp up the stocks. Would you prefer a smooth ride? Dial it down. Getting your hands on stocks. Whether it's E*TRADE, Charles Schwab, or slick apps like Robinhood and SoFi, snagging stocks is a breeze with a brokerage account. Quick setup, easy funding transfer, check or wire, take your pick. Have you got old accounts? Shift them over. Tip: plan your game first. Are you learning and staying flexible? Standard brokerage is your go-to. Eyeing retirement? Hello, IRA. Traditional or Roth? Roth lets you grab contributions anytime. No more trading fees, but scope out extras like educational tools. Beginner-friendly picks. Before diving in, remember the ABCs. Diversify, but keep it simple. Stick to your expertise and dodge roller coasters and penny stocks. Skip the flashy high growth for now. Start with solid, established businesses or dip into mutual funds and ETFs. If you are eyeing individual stocks, peek at our value investing guide for strong picks or explore growth investing for the long-term thrill. Buffett's wisdom. Here's a golden nugget from Warren Buffett, the investment maestro. You don't need to pull off magic to score big in investing. The key? Grab shares of fantastic businesses at fair prices, then hold on to them as long as they stay fantastic or until you're ready to cash in. Sure, there might be ups and downs, but you'll be soaking in some seriously sweet investment returns over time. Keep it simple, make it last. That's the secret sauce. Which brokerage platform or investment avenue resonates with you the most? Whether it's a traditional brokerage, an IRA, or one of the beginner-friendly options like Robinhood or SoFi. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.